Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a brand new 2018 Ford Focus SE with a sports appearance package and hatchback. This four-door hatchback offers 5-passenger seating, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and paired to a front-wheel drive system. The exterior is accented with a sport-style honeycomb grille with a chrome accent, a sport lower valance, halogen high beams, low beams, and a pair of fog lamps, and a set of SC 17-inch sport alloy wheels with a polished edge and a shadow black painted insert. We have body-colored mirror caps and door handles, 4 full doors to accommodate 5 passengers, a hardtop roof, a backup camera, and lots of storage throughout. At the rear we have the SE badging and a sports-style rear bumper. We have a rear window wiper, rear window defrost, and lots of cargo storage room in the open hatch. A standard black interior that offers power windows, power locks, and power mirrors, door speakers, and door storage pockets. We have automatic headlamps, a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel that offers paddle shifters, cruise control, trackpad for the menu zone, trackpad for the media zone, and a nice instrument cluster for the driver. We have a display for the backup camera. We also have AM/FM radio, 6 months of prepaid Sirius radio, heated front seat controls, standard air conditioning, a USB line in, a set of bucket seats at the front, a hand park brake, and a set of cup holders, and manual seat adjustments. The second row offers a 60/40 split bench seat. Lots of leg and headroom, second row power windows, door speakers, and door storage pockets. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. Look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.